We might be known for our Reelcraft red top-quality industrial reels, but the magic is in the steel. We source the steel right here in the USA and ship it to Indiana, and that's where we process and form it. We cut, stamp, or spin all of our steel components. We make our own springs, adding just the right amount of tension so that each reel unwinds and rewinds with ease. We work with the material, careful not to strain or overstress it. That's why our reels are lighter, stronger, better. We weld beautifully straight lines every single time so that your reel looks as good as it performs. And once we have all the components crafted and welded, we paint. Each steel piece is cleaned, pre-treated, coated, and cured in an industrial oven, all under the watchful eye of our paint team, who monitor every single step. This is why our paint doesn't chip or crack under the pressures of the job. It's why a 15-year-old reel is just as brilliantly red as the day it first showed up in the shop. After paint, we assemble, building the reels from the components that we've crafted ourselves, carefully testing each one. Sure, we could cut corners, but what's the fun in building something good when you can build something great? Our reels are built with passion and care, precision and ingenuity. They're built to be ready when you are.